Okay, hi guys. Uh, let's move on to the next video. Today we're going to learn in this video about how to automatically highlight a certain row or certain data based on certain criteria. We're still using the example, the table that we used in our previous video, the sales of the mobile phone accessories right here. Uh, What we're going to do is highlight a certain products. Uh, for example, I want to highlight only the data cable row. We have 1, 2, 3 right here, and 4, and put it in highlight color. Let's say yellow, and after we can do that automatically instead of doing this manually like this. We're going to do this, but automatically using the simple tricks with conditional formatting right here. What we're going to do is first we're going to that right here, the product, going to highlight because we want to do automatically. It's a good idea to have, I'm going to have a drop down here, drop down that fill of the products type right here. First, we're going to bring the data, find the duplicate. Where's the remove duplicate? Ah, there you are. Duplicates, right? And column O. Okay. My data does not have header. We have 3 data. We're going to put it right here with data validation. Change it to list. Source is here. Click OK. So whenever I choose charging outlets, data right here, the charging outlet row will change color. Same thing with if I choose case right here, the data row that consists of case will change color. We can start with block the old data, exclude the header. You exclude the header. You might want to exclude header because we don't want to highlight the header. Click on conditional formatting. Pick new rule and choose use a formula to determine which cells to format because the criteria is right here, the column. Then we're going to put the formula based on the data right here. And because we want to copy this, because we want to have this formula all across the column, this column, I see, the product columns, have to remove the dollar sign from row from the row cell, so the formula will change across the row, across the column, and equals to when this data right here equals to our criteria right here, base, and we're going to change the format to yellow. I mean the background color, yellow. Let's see if this works. Voila, that looks like a charm. See that data cable. Hey, works. Charging outlet. Okay, that works. Okay. Uh, these tricks will also give you another tricks that you can use for calculate the total of this column right here. Other than aside than some manual sum and some product function, we can use subtotal, subtotal for sum. As you see, you can also have subtotal of average, count, count A, max, min, and etc. But for the video, we're going to sum. Put a semicolon right there and choose the column we want to have the sum of. Enter, because we only have the all the data is showing. Subtotal will also show the total of all the data. But if you get this to filter display right here, and you choose filter by color, say this. Now we have the row that highlight by the color of yellow is 220, has 220 in total sales. That's just another color. Sorry, any other products that doesn't have the highlight, the yellow highlight, consists of 347 in total sales. If we sum all those two totals, we have, of course, 570, the 567 total sales. Okay, that there is some short video about it. Hope you find this video helps you out with your task or job. Uh, don't forget to subscribe, comment, share if you find this video useful. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye.